In the high-stakes world of offshore drilling, thrusters are the heartbeat of every modern rig.
When you're doing a thruster change, every second counts.
Proper planning is always crucial.
It's a magnificent piece of machinery.
We don't just service these units, we upgrade them every detail matters.
It really is a one team, one mission approach.
These powerful underwater thruster units provide the dynamic positioning that keeps rigs precisely on target, even in the harshest conditions. For advanced drill ships and semi-submersibles, peak performance starts here. Noble chose Wärtsilä to lead its largest ever thruster maintenance program across 7 of its most important rigs, 3 semi-submersibles and 4 drill ships. A partnership built on years of trust and backed by OEM expertise.
It's a magnificent piece of machinery, but like any other machinery, it needs maintenance and overhauling. As the original manufacturer, we know the thrusters better than anyone. Every nut, every bearing, it's designed, built and serviced by us. We work on all sizes of thrusters because we have the capabilities in maintaining them all. From the smaller size, for example, used in tug boats, to the biggest size in offshore applications.
A drill ship like this is designed to work in 10 to 12,000 feet of water, and the thrusters are the propulsion system that works in conjunction with the dynamic positioning system to keep us on location for drilling the well.
It's a complete turnkey project service, including project management, engineering and technical support, Wärtsilä underwater services, field service and spare parts, and of course this nice propulsion workshop, all in close cooperation with strategic partners for strategic lifting services and logistics.
With 48 workshops around the world and about 3,000 field service engineers, Wärtsilä has the capacity to work on hundreds of thrusters around the world every year. For Noble's thrusters, much of the work will take place at the core of Wärtsilä's propulsion workshops in the Netherlands and Norway.
We don't just service these units, we upgrade them with the latest upgrades. That means longer life, high efficiency and no surprises offshore. We use OEM parts, the right tools and equipment, expert hands, every detail matters. It's how we deliver consistent performance.
At Wärtsilä, technical excellence starts with full access to the original design and upgrades to the latest standard. Every thruster is brought back to its blueprint. Their proprietary tools and methods allow them to go deeper, identifying wear patterns early, replacing components with genuine parts, and continually pushing for peak performance.
Every thruster which leaves this workshop is completely tested, documented and class approved. This is to maintain the reliability for the years to come.
With each thruster restored to OEM standards and upgraded, and every detail documented, Noble's rigs are ready to perform. Safer, stronger and more reliable than ever.
As we now have a setup with Wärtsilä as a turnkey thruster exchange that runs more smoothly, more cost efficient and more safely for all parties.
The philosophy is all about collaboration. One team, one Wärtsilä and one mission.
The trust which we have together is working perfectly. With project management, seamless coordination and our accountability.
Whether deep beneath the sea or inside their workshops, performance isn't just a goal. It's engineered, inspected and guaranteed. When operational excellence matters, original expertise delivers.